My name's Cathy and I am the vineyard manager for Heath Estate, and today you'll see us going around actually picking the Chardonnay today. After the weekend we had the wine club members pick and we ended up picking 10 tonne of Pinot Noir and Chardonnay, so a good combination. So today sees us in our main vineyard picking the Chardonnay. We've gone straight through the vineyard, so we've picked the Pinot Meunier, we've picked the Pinot Noir, now we're on the last clone variety of the Chardonnay today, and then we'll be moving on to pick some more Pinot Noir in one of our other vineyards. It's been a good year for harvest. Crops quantity-wise has been down, but quality-wise has been exceptional, so we're expecting some really good wine this year and some really good juice coming off the grapes this year. We had a frost at the beginning of the season, obviously that held it back, hence the quantity, but like I say, the quality is exceptional this year. The wine club members did extremely well this year. Originally we were told there would be around about 80 of them. It turned out to be 35, I think 35, 40 of them, and I honestly can say that for people that have never done anything like this before, they were outstanding. They picked amazingly, they picked exactly what we wanted picked in the time that we were allotted, even with the weather. And let's face it, the weather on Saturday wasn't all plain sailing, it was rather wet and dismal, but they all still went away smiling, happy, and the winery were happy that we'd managed to pick the 10 tonnes, so everybody was happy.